The emergency calls only message on your SafeLink phone means it can't connect to the regular cellular network for calls, texts, or data, limiting you to 911 emergency services. This is commonly caused by three primary issues: SIM card problems like expiration or damage, network registration failures, or incorrect APN settings. First, ensure your SafeLink SIM card is properly inserted with the gold contacts facing up. Expired SIM cards are a frequent cause. SafeLink SIMs are prepaid and expire, usually after 12 months, if not renewed. Check your account status through the TrackPhone website or app to verify if your benefits have expired. If so, renew immediately. Next, your phone needs to register on the TrackPhone network, which primarily uses T-Mobile. Try toggling airplane mode on and off or restarting your phone to force network registration. Poor signal strength or being outside the coverage area can also cause this issue. If these quick fixes don't work, we'll move on to APN settings. If your SIM is active and you have network coverage, the problem might be your APN settings. APN, or access point name, configures your data connection. SafeLink's default APN is wholesale. APN stands for access point name and controls how your phone connects to the data network. SafeLink uses wholesale as the default APN setting. To manually enter or verify these settings, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names on your phone. Navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. Ensure the APN is set to wholesale and that username and password fields are blank or as provided by SafeLink. Incorrect APN settings can block data and MMS, sometimes causing the emergency calls only error. If problems persist, consider these advanced steps. Use TrackPhone's enhanced online portal or app, which now includes AI-driven troubleshooting. These tools can provide step-by-step fixes specific to your device. Due to ongoing SIM card supply chain issues, you might need a replacement. Visit a Walmart or authorized retailer for an in-person SIM replacement if other methods fail. Also, be aware of potential SIM swapping scams. Protect your account information to prevent unauthorized SIM replacements. Finally, keep your SafeLink app updated. According to App Analytics, SafeLink's 2025 app updates enable 70% of fixes without human intervention.